Place a bay leaf inside a lemon. Before I explain why this works, let me show you another trick. If your shoes have an unpleasant odor due to sweat or extended use, bay leaves can be a simple and quick fix. Just place 3 bay leaves in each shoe overnight. Their strong aroma neutralizes bad smells. Now, let's get back to the trick I mentioned at the beginning. Take a fairly large lemon and cut it in half. Depending on the size of the lemon, place 4 or 5 bay leaves inside. This combination not only refreshes your home, but also effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. The scent of bay leaves and lemon is unpleasant to them. Leave the lemon with the bay leaves in areas where you spend the most time. It's also useful to place this by windows to help prevent insects from coming inside.